Hey guys, Mark with Custom Dynamics. Today I've got something new for you. Seat bolt mounted tail light. For those stunter guys or the guys that don't want a tail light, this will be your option. Also more like a third brake light, the tail light up there. Very cool, very sleek, very small and slim as you can see. It will be available for various models through baggers, Dynas, Softails, Sportsters, the whole gambit. This one we're going to be putting on my Lowrider S. So we got the Lowrider S harness. It'll come with a harness and the light and a bolt. They'll come also with smoke. This one's smoke with red and then red with red. So let's get after it. Okay guys, we're going to remove the seat here first. Like always here, remove that seat. And this is actually the supplied bolt that comes in this kit. I was already utilizing it. The bolt will just simply go through the tail light there. I'll just set it there for adjusting it. It's simply just going to run down the center here. And with each individual harness, where depending on what model you have, you'll go from the turn signal. Just one of them, it doesn't really matter, but we'll go black to black, and then jump it in line here, like so. So of course you'll clean this up, zip tie it and everything, run it like so, like that. But that's as simple as it is to do this way. Very quick, very easy. And when I come back, this bike here has a triple play module on it. So you'll have to do a little special thing with the triple play, because right now there's no power coming out of the triple play to actually power this up, because we're powering it off the turn signal. So what we're going to do is jump a wire here and get power to where we need it up to here, and then your smart triple play will work, so your light will flash as well. So I'll be right back to show you that. Okay, get a little closer view here of this harness. Here's the harness. Right now we've got it coming off the turn signal, but which, if the triple play is installed, which it is here on this bike, we have no power to this unit through the triple play. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to cut this red wire here, like so, pull it through, make it, because we can trim it down, pull it through, and we're going to have to get power off of this red wire coming off of our triple play. So we're going to grab some wire cutters here, strip the wire back a little bit. You can attach this any way that you want. I'm going to use a posi lock. We don't supply anything, but you can use anything you want. Posi locks are pretty easy to use. So we'll get that there. Get it started here. Feed this in this end. Tighten that down like so. Okay, got that there, got that there. Of course we will tighten that up and zip tie everything out of the way, but let's test it. Put the bike on. There we have power. And our triple play is working as well. So let me clean this up, put the seat back on, so we can get a better view of how this looks from the back. So let me do all that and we'll come right back. Okay, I've got the wires all tidied underneath, so we're going to put the seat on now. You simply just run it up like so. You're going to set it, push down on your seat, get it lined up where you normally would. Put that in the place there if you can see that. Grab the supplied bolt. Get it threaded in there. Make sure it's straight. Tighten it up there. You see, you won't even be able to see the actual wire, so it's good. Make sure it's straight. Snug it up. Simple as that. Nice and clean. Now I'll raise it up and we'll come back and I'll turn it on to show you how it works from this back view. What is that? All right, that's it for the seat bolt mounted tail light. Easy install, super easy. Pretty much a matter of removing the seat, plugging it in. Very, very simple for a great added tail light. The third option there, the stunt guys can add it for their tail light. It's just a very, very good, clean, small look, and it's very bright. We said super bright. This has the triple play, so it works with it, which is nice. You pick these up at your local drag specialties dealer, and of course, customdynamics.com.